एव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देवा। You are my mother, you are my father, you are my family, closest friend I have. You are my mother, you are my father.